Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to share with y'all all these items that I got today at the Dollar Tree. Most of them were all items that I was looking for, that I had seen recommended on YouTube, that I really wanted to try out, and I was shocked I found everything at one Dollar Tree. Like, that never happens for me with organizational products, but for these cleaning products, I found everything. I also picked up a couple of other things that I saw for spring and summer that looked really cute, as well as some other cleaning products that I found that I just wanted to try out. But before I show you guys what I got here, I'm gonna walk you guys through the Dollar Tree and show you the July 4th Dollar Tree decor. They have some really cute stuff today. I couldn't believe I walked in there. Today's like April 15th, and they had two full sections all of 4th of July stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys that, and then we'll come back and I'll show you guys what all I got. So I was really impressed with everything that Dollar Tree had for July 4th this year. I don't think I have ever seen this much stuff that looks this nice and high quality. It really made me wish that I was throwing a party or something for July 4th so I would have an excuse to buy this stuff, but it was all super mega cute. I did have some audio here, but this section of the store is right directly next to like the buggy return, and so all you heard the entire time was buggies slamming, so I just decided to do a voiceover here, but I'm kind of just walking around and showing you guys all of the cute stuff they had, and I thought these were like donkeys. At first I thought that was something political, but actually they're like unicorns, it looks like. So I thought those were really cute because they had the puppy dogs as well, and all of this stuff was just, I don't know, I just feel like it looks so high quality. Every year I feel like the Dollar Tree ups their game, and I thought that these 4th of July gnomes were just precious. Looking at these now, I wish I had gotten some of these for my yard. I don't usually decorate for 4th of July, but when I go in here and see this much cute stuff at the Dollar Tree, it makes me wish that I did. I almost did. I might still go back and see what they have in the next week or two and grab some stuff because it is just so cute, and I loved everything that they had. Like, literally everything was so cute. And then they also had some barbecue stuff over to the other side, and so like all the cookout stuff was all over here. And then they also had some like tin foil or aluminum foil, whatever you want to call it. They even had Reynolds Wright brand with the actual like the pre-cut strips, and those are usually pretty expensive, so I thought that was a pretty good deal, even though I haven't price compared them, so I didn't grab any, but they seemed like a good deal to me. And then I moved on to the cleaning stuff because this was what I was here for. I just got super sidetracked by the all the fun 4th of July stuff. So this window cleaner right here is the one I was coming for. That one there I've tried before and did not like. It was too like vinegary smelling. And then the LA, it's awesome. I was trying this for the first time, but you guys can see the small squirt bottle is the same price as this big refill, and so I decided to pick that up since it was the same price and you have to dilute it anyway. And then here are some of the other cleaners that I was looking for. My Dollar Tree, you guys, was super stocked up. I was super excited. I don't know that I've ever seen this stocked up, but I've also never really just come to the Dollar Tree looking specifically just for cleaning supplies. So I was really impressed with everything I found. And spoiler alert, these spray bottles are great. I've tried them since making this video and they work really well. So I'm definitely going to be going back to get some more of those because those are a great price. And I show you guys in this video some smaller spray bottles as well that I find later on, and I want to go back and try some of those because I do sometimes have need for little spray bottles, and I want to say I've gotten some other spray bottles from here in the past. I know I have a metal one that I got for my husband for barbecuing, and that one works awesome. So I've just been really impressed with everything the Dollar Tree has to offer when it comes to cleaning supplies, and you can just save so much money, and I definitely think this is where it's at for sure. So as someone who makes candles, I'm sure these are probably super toxic, but they look like such a fun little project to do with your kids. I thought this Wi-Fi sign was so cute, and I've never seen 11 by 14 frames at my Dollar Tree before, so I thought that was really awesome. Now these lanterns I do talk about later in the video because I picked up a couple, but I thought they were really cute, and these would be fun, I think, to even put outside, like on your table. They are plastic and very flimsy, but they look much nicer than they actually are, and all the spring stuff they had this year was just super cute. All right, so I'm really excited about this Lime Away toilet bowl cleaner. This was recommended to work really good on your toilets. And I have a toilet that has a stain that I've been trying to get out for months. So I'm so excited about this. I really hope it works, and I'll definitely be sharing with you guys how I like each one of these items. Since I've never used any of these are all new to me. I also got this one because I went in there to get this totally awesome bathroom cleaner. Because it was recommended, and then I found the daily shower cleaner. So if you guys see both of these, they look like they are imitating the Method brand. Like even the design down here and everything, they're supposed to be competing with that. So I'm excited because I love the Method daily shower cleaner, but it's like $3 something, almost $4 a bottle. And I go through it really quickly when I use it daily, but it works great when I use it daily. So I'm really hoping this will be a good dupe for the Method shower cleaner. So this is the LA Totally Awesome Cleaner, all-purpose cleaner. If you guys have never heard of this, this is highly recommended by pretty much everyone who's ever reviewed it on YouTube. And because this is concentrated, you're supposed to dilute it with water. Instead of getting the spray bottle, I got this because for the same price as the spray bottle, you could get the 32-ounce refill. And so I got that. And along with that, I got some of the Dollar Tree spray bottles. So I'm really hoping that these spray well. I've never tried them before, I don't think. So I'm excited to try these out and see how they do. They had these colors and pink. You guys probably saw it when I was actually shopping. But we have, so they had 3 colors. I just got these 2 for now because I wanted to make sure that they sprayed well but before I bought any more. And these are 28-ounce bottles or 828 milliliters. Now, this glass cleaner comes highly recommended. I've been on the market for a better glass cleaner, and this is the foaming action one. And this is by the Home Store. And this was highly, highly recommended by everyone that I saw who tried it on YouTube. So I definitely want to try that out. Now, I also wanted to try out the Works Classic Toilet Bowl Cleaner because if I like this is something I haven't seen recommended. But if I like this, I feel like this would come like really good and handy for just everyday cleaning. So also, I didn't see where this was recommended either, the LA's Totally Awesome Laundry Pre-Wash for stain removers, but I use one now that's like $3 or $4, and so I wanted to see how this compares because for $1, if this works, you can't beat it, and I'll definitely be switching over to this one if it works for me. So this was also highly recommended by the Home Store. It is Super Oxygen Bathroom Cleaner. It sprays on blue, and when it turns white, it's good to wipe it away. So I'm super excited to try this out. I didn't even realize it comes in a fresh citrus scent. I didn't realize there was a fragrance to it, so I'm not sure if this is the only fragrance it comes in, but I love citrus fragrances normally, especially in cleaning items, so I'm sure I'm gonna like this. Now, another highly recommended, also by the Home Store, is this Heavy Traffic Carpet Cleaner. It's a foaming spray. You just spray it, and then you vacuum it up for cleaning your carpet. So super, super excited to try that out. This is supposed to, I think it's Resolve that this is supposed to be like a dupe of, so I'm excited to see how it works. Now, I did grab this for my daughters just because they love Baby Shark, and it's a 2-in-1 shampoo, and since it was only $1, I wanted to grab that for them. I got 2 of these fabric refreshers, and the review I saw on these said that they work really great for odor eliminator, but they don't have like a really strong fragrance. I didn't even smell these. This is crisp linen, and this is fresh lavender. So if you don't want something that just really smells strong, but you want to just get rid of odors, if you have like a musky smell in your house or pets or anything like that, these come highly recommended for that. So I can't wait to try those out. Then I also found, it's totally awesome, Oxygen Power all-purpose spot remover. This is just supposed to get tough stains and odors out of carpet, clothing, and upholstery. Haven't seen this recommended, but this brand is so recommended for other products that I was excited to try this one out as well. Now, I've been wanting to get some more microfiber cleaning cloths, and I heard that the ones at the Dollar Tree are good. I haven't seen these specific ones recommended anywhere, but I saw that in general people recommend the ones that they have. And this looked like one that I have already that I really like, so I picked up 2 of those. And then I also picked up just a pair of their reusable gloves because I ripped the ones that I had, and I wanted to be able to have one color for my kitchen and one color for the bathroom. Now, I wanted to try their squeegee to keep this in my shower, and I should have gotten one of their little suction cup things to hang it in my shower. I totally didn't think about that until this very moment. So I might go back and get that because I've heard that the Dollar Tree suction cups work really well. Now, I've never tried this or heard this recommended from the Dollar Tree, but I do have a name brand one that I used in the past that I like. So I wanted to use this for in my shower and bathroom. And so I just got that to put with my bathroom cleaning products. So I've been wanting to try the Downy Unstoppable and the odor defense, like these little smelly things. And I've never tried them before. Each of these boxes has 1 dose in it. So I figured it would be a cheap way to try it out and see how I like it before I commit to buying like a full bottle. I also found these cute little like LED light lanterns, and I want to use these like as decor in my living room, and so I'm super excited to see how these look. I think they are super cute. And you guys, as you saw in the shop with me, they had 3 different colors. This is kind of a grayish white. They also had like a teal blue and like a brighter green. Then I got this little tin can that says flowers and garden. I've seen people use these in a variety of different like do-it-yourself projects, and I've been wanting to get one of these for that. So we'll see what I end up doing with that. I'm not quite sure just yet. And then I got these plant labels for our garden. We're eventually gonna start a garden, and I had seen these a long time ago, and I've never seen them at my Dollar Tree. I think they only come out at springtime. So I wanted to grab a pack of these before they all got bought up. And then I ended up buying this because it looked cute for 4th of July. It's just like a headband. And so, yeah, we'll see how that looks. All right, so I got all of this for only $25. I feel like that's a pretty good deal. My husband saw this and was like, how much did you spend? This definitely looks like more than $25, especially if all these products work how they claim, because they're all supposed to be a dupe for items that are like $3 to $4. So I'm really excited to try all of these out. You guys will have to let me know in the comments below if you've tried any of them, if you like them, and which product are you most interested to see me review if you haven't tried them before, because like I said, I'm going to be doing a video soon trying out all these products and letting you guys know exactly what I think of them.